Located in Foshan, Nanhai, Foshan City has a good reputation as a hometown of aluminium. We are a professional manufacturer of aluminium alloy casting equipment and consumable. We manufacture melting furnace, holding furnace, regenerative burner system, homogenized furnace, cooling chamber, slab casting machine, hydraulic lifting machine, and so on. We are also specialized in the manufacturing of aluminium consumables like refining flux, Dross Agent, Melt Treatment Agent. Our daily flux production capacity is 20 tons. We are able to increase the output to 30 tons upon urgent request. There are for aluminium refining flux grade 4. Different requirement of refining level of the molten metal. We have ready stock as shown, able to quickly responses to customers' urgent needs. We have two type of packing, that is the carton box packaging and plastic bag packaging. Please give us a like and follow our channel. Thank you.